Weekends are the best, but how do you talk about your weekend plans in English? Stay with us and learn easy, natural sentences you can use with friends. Hey, Sarah, the weekend is almost here.
Yes, I've been waiting all week.
Do you have any plans?
Not sure yet. What about you?
I'm thinking of going hiking.
Oh, that sounds fun. Where?
There's a nice trail near the lake.
Cool. Do you go often?
Not really. I just want some fresh air.
Good idea. I love nature trips.
What do you usually do on weekends?
Sometimes I meet friends for coffee.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, weekends are for chillin'.
Do you ever stay home all weekend?
Oh, yes. I love staying in bed and watching movies.
Same. Movie marathons are the best.
Do you have a favorite weekend movie?
Anything funny or adventurous?
Nice. I prefer romantic comedies.
Are you free on Saturday?
I think so. Why?
Maybe we could hang out.
Sure. What do you want to do?
How about trying that new restaurant?
Oh, yes. I heard the food there is amazing.
And they have live music on weekends.
Even better. I love live music.
Great. Let's go Saturday evening.
Perfect. I'll book a table.
What about Sunday?
I might visit my family.
That's nice. Do they live far?
No, just 30 minutes away.
Do you visit them often?
Almost every weekend.
That's sweet. Family time is important.
Absolutely. What about your Sunday?
I usually do laundry and clean my room.
Weekend chores.
Yeah, adult life.
Do you ever travel on weekends?
Sometimes, if I have a long weekend.
Where do you like to go?
Anywhere with a beach.
Oh, I love the beach too.
Maybe we can plan a trip someday.
That would be awesome.
Do you prefer relaxing or adventure trips?
A mix of both.
Good answer.
What's your ideal weekend?
Good food, good people, and no stress.
Yes, no alarms, no deadlines,
Just sleep and fun.
and maybe a little shopping.
Of course.
This weekend is going to be great.
I agree. I can't wait.
Let's make the most of it.